So negative exponents, people make a big deal about negative exponents. They're going to pop up in things here and there. They're not going to be, a major portion of what we're doing. If you want to make a problem that's a little bit harder, you throw some of these in there. All right, really, really simple thing. Negative exponents are just in the wrong part of the fraction. They belong in the other part of the fraction. So negative exponents are made positive by moving the term to the opposite portion of the fraction. All right, really, really simple. All right, wherever the negative exponent is living, I move it to the opposite part of the fraction, and the exponent just automatically becomes positive because, in essence, you're really just dividing, dividing it. All right, because it's division that got it there. So if there's no fraction, as there is here, all right, or when there's no fraction, you can put it over one. All right, so if I have x to the negative third, all right, I end up with this, x to the negative third over one. I flip it to the bottom, all right, and it becomes a positive exponent. All right, there's a lot of math behind this. If you'd really like to know it, come see me. I will gladly show you why it works this way. All right, but for most of you, you just need to know how to deal with them so that you are able to answer questions that involve them. It works the same with the fractions. All right, if we have a question like this last one here, you have to be very, very careful. The only part of this that has a negative is the b. All right, the a is positive, the c is positive, so the b needs to move to the other part, which is what happened right here. All right, it went to the bottom, and then it became it was negative 2/5, and it became positive 2/5. If you see negative exponents, I personally think the best thing to do is to do them first. All right, so I didn't write this in my notes here. All right, I'm going to write down move negative exponents first. That is not how you spell first. Okay? I just think it's easier to deal with them and get them out of the way before we even start doing